Hi everyone, welcome to my Nookery. My name is Linda and today I have a yarn haul. It is from LindeHobby, I think. So, excuse the crinkle. Hope everyone's well. Welcome to all my new subscribers and all my long-standing. Hope everyone's well, guys. So, what I bought cotton, guys. Oh my word. So, just bear with me. I'll be back in a minute. Let me just empty this bag. Okay, so I bought some cotton, guys. And it is, I bought 6 of the Bell Drops Bell Unicolor Everyday Luxury, and it says yarn group B, needle hook size 4mm or a US 6 G, 50 grams, which is 1.8 ounces, 120 meters, 131 yards. It's 53% cotton, 33% viscose and 14% linen. And I've got six of them. So 6 white. You can never have too much white, can you? You really do need your neutrals in your yarn arsenal. So they're the white ones. And then I got some of this Go Handmade Tencel and Bamboo Fine. And this is 40% tencel, 60% bamboo, 50 grams, 210 meters, and needle size is 2.5 or to 3mm. And this is called Vintage Rose. And I got 5 of them. 5 of them. A nice colour, isn't it? And then I bought some Shepier's yarn. I do like my Shepier's yarn. And this is Katona. 50 grams, 125 meters, 2.5 to 3.5 hook size. So 100% mercerized cotton. And this is number 222. So yeah, it's a pink. But it's, and I got 5 of those, and they'll make a nice summer top. I think I do suit pink, although I'm not a pink lover. I just fancied this colour for a change. I don't have, in fact, I don't think I've got any pink sweaters. So, yeah, so that's them. And of course, I bought the same in lilac, which is the same specs. And I bought these. I want to make a few summer tops this year, both crochet and knitting. So I think that will look really nice. Again, Katona, Shepier's. So I've got. So what have I got? I've got this, and this. So I've got them 3. Whoa. So they'll make nice tops, don't you think? I really wanted to try this tencel bamboo. I think that'll make a really nice. In fact, I've got a pattern that I want to make with this one. So it smells nice too. Very nice. So yeah, so they're the colours that I've purchased. And then, oh I know, I got some notions. I got some of, sorry about the twinkling, I got two packets of these. They're the Knit Pro stitch ring markers. I've never had these before, and I noticed Irina from Fibre Chats had uses them, and I thought, oh, let me just give them a go. Let me just have a look and see what they're like. be good for me socks and that, you know. Oh look, so you get one of those, and then you get 2, 4, 6 of these little ones. Really light, even though they've got the, let me just show you, get them together. Whoops, oh no, I can't quite. You get 6 in total, but you get 5 of these little ones. Aren't they nice? I like the hoop. So yeah, so I've got them. Oh, I've got different ones. So they're them ones, and then I've got this one as well. The Knit Pros, and you know I love my Knit Pro needles. If I can get into it, come on. Thank you. Well, these are different, so this is the biggest one. And then I've got 5 of these. Ooh, trying to get them all together. Not playing, guys, not playing. There we go. So, that's my yarn haul from LindeHobby. I will put the link to their website in the description box below. And have you got any suggestions for summer sweaters? Any patterns that you like, that you think I might like? Let me know in the description box below. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you for joining me. Hope you decide to join my family. Hit the subscribe button and hit that bell icon. And that, guys, is all from me for today. I hope you have a fabulous week, weekend, day, whatever time you're watching. Hope you have a fabulous time. Take care, stay safe, but more importantly, guys, be kind to you. And until the next video, bye for now.